Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new customer, create an order, and send a receipt by email in the Slimrate system on your tablet. First, open your Slimrate tablet. The main screen will appear right away. In the top left corner, you'll see the plus customer icon. Tap on it. Here, you can either search for an existing customer or create a brand new profile. To create a new customer, enter their phone number and then tap the green Create New Customer button. On the new screen, you'll see the customer's profile form. Be sure to fill in the fields for the customer's name and email address. The other fields are optional. Fill them in if needed. Now, tap the Save button in the bottom right corner. This customer is now linked to your order, and you'll see their name in the top left corner of the screen. Add all the items you want to the order if you haven't done so already. Next, tap Pay. You can either complete the payment or simply save the order for later. After that, you'll return to the main screen. Now, tap the button with 3 horizontal lines in the lower left corner. Open the Orders category. It's the second option in the list. You'll see your order here. Tap on it to open the details. To send the receipt to the customer's email, tap the Send Invoice button. Wait for the system to confirm the email was sent, and then tap OK. The receipt should now be sent to the email address you entered earlier. Open your email and check for a message from Slimrate. At the top of the email, you'll see the tablet number that sent the message. Below, you'll find store information, the date, who the order was sold to, what was purchased, and the full order amount, including taxes and any other details. That's it. Now you know how to add a customer, create an order, and send a receipt by email in Slimrate. Thank you for watching.